All right, this presentation is over content management systems. This is for my information 4307 class. All right, here it is. Here's the outline. We're going to go over the intro. We're going to do CMS then and now, strategy KM, and data management. Then we'll do organizational culture, organizational processes, management and leadership, technology, politics, and then the conclusions at the end. All right, so intro. Then, so in the past, dealing with documents, including many hours of searching, organizing, retrieving, and even more searching. Companies spent lots of money and other resources like bigger buildings and additional people to make this as efficient as possible. Companies or people within the company had more opportunity to be corrupt by losing a potential condemning document. And now, with electronic CMS, the time to store and retrieve documents have dramatically shortened. This allows companies the potential to invest more in the employees and solving more problems. Companies are now held more responsible for their actions. Now that CMS can timestamp actions that has taken place within the system. All right, so strategy KM and data management. Strategy for knowledge management includes planning, organizing, securing, and implementing. So for planning, it is creating a process and a timeline for each step in the CMS. Organizing is assigning roles to branches, teams, and people. Securing is ensuring every user has a predetermined set of rights. And implementing is providing training of general and specific tasks. This helps personnel achieve success in a fast-paced environment where the ability to adapt to change is critical. All right, and data management focuses on creating the rules to how people interact with the data, scheduling maintenance for the CMS, and acting as a governing body for the data by implementing best practices. Organizational culture. Each person is usually in a team with several other people. Teams consist of multidisciplinary people that come together to solve problems. It is very important to cultivate a solutions-driven culture within the team. That being said, it is also important to grow a culture of communication where problems can be resolved quickly. All right, organizational processes. Processes make organizations run more efficiently by providing clarity of the how-to all the personnel with the organization, understanding how and when updates occur, implementing standards for knowledge creation and sharing. Also, implementing a process for each role allows for a more specialized and diverse team to work together more efficiently. This allows team members to hold each other more accountable because only they can access certain information. Knowledge sharing or collaboration is needed to get people up to speed on projects so they can be more productive. For this reason, more people should be involved in the process. Right, management and leadership. Success or failure all comes down to the management and leadership of the company. Managers and top leadership know they need their employees to make good decisions and be productive. However, it is the manager's job to ensure they meet the goals the top leadership created. CMS leadership must create tangible goals so managers can clearly relay information to the employees. During the knowledge lifecycle, top leadership must determine clear roles for users to effectively implement knowledge management into their position. Management must reflect on how each process was performed and and use knowledge reuse to distill a more effective process going forward. Technology. Content management systems have revolutionized the way people collaborate and manage data in a business. CMS allows for more security and trust than traditional methods. Version control systems are very important for creating different versions of the system that were previously altered. This is basically like going back in time when you had the correct data or before an update occurred. Politics. Politics ensures everyone is on the same page and held accountable. This also sets up a culture of asking for extra permissions that escape the bounds of your role. Here is where employees, management, and IT collaborate and make case-by-case solutions. All right, conclusion, CMS are an incredibly powerful KM tool that helps businesses adapt to change by allowing faster access to information. We have come an incredibly long way in a short amount of time, from the filing cabinet days to now. The question to further conversation is, how can CMS be implemented further in the future? All right, thank you very much. That was my presentation.